Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 best camera of 2026 that deliver incredible performance for the price. But there's one phone that honestly surprised me with how good it is. So make sure you watch until the end, because I'll reveal my top pick and tell you which phone offers the best value for your budget. Now, let's get started with the number 5 pick. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. Color: black. Weight: 1.04 pounds. Category: DSLR camera. If you're looking for a straightforward DSLR camera to learn photography, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is still an interesting option to consider. It keeps things fairly simple while giving you the control that many beginners want as they move beyond a smartphone. The camera uses a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which provides plenty of detail for everyday photography, portraits, landscapes, and other common shooting situations. The included 18 to 55 mm lens is a practical starting point, offering a useful range for everything from wider shots to basic zoomed-in photography. One thing I like about the T7 is the optical viewfinder, especially for photographers who prefer composing a shot traditionally. It also includes built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, making it easier to transfer images wirelessly with compatible devices. For video, it records full HD 1080p, which is fine for basic video work. However, the 9-point autofocus system and fixed LCD screen feel more limited compared with newer mirrorless cameras. Continuous shooting is also relatively modest. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 makes the most sense for someone who wants an affordable, traditional DSLR experience and is learning the basics of manual photography. It's not the newest camera around, but as a beginner-friendly starting point, it offers a solid combination of image quality, interchangeable lenses, and simple controls. Number 4. Canon EOS Rebel T7 Dual Lens DSLR Kit. Color: black. Weight: 3 pounds. Category: DSLR camera. One of the biggest advantages of this Canon EOS Rebel T7 kit is that it gives beginners more than one way to shoot right out of the box. Along with the camera, you get an 18 to 55 mm lens for everyday photography and a 75 to 300 mm lens when you need significantly more reach. At the center is a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which is capable of producing detailed photos for portraits, landscapes, travel, and general photography. The standard zoom lens is the more practical option for daily use, while the telephoto lens can be useful for subjects that are farther away. The T7 also includes an optical viewfinder, a 9-point autofocus system with AI servo AF, and built-in Wi-Fi and NFC for convenient wireless connectivity. For video, it records full HD 1080p at up to 30 frames per second. That said, this is still an entry-level DSLR. The autofocus system is fairly basic by modern standards. Continuous shooting is limited to around 3 frames per second, and the camera is noticeably less compact than many newer mirrorless alternatives. Still, for someone learning photography and wanting 2 useful lenses from the start, this kit offers a flexible and traditional DSLR experience. It seems like a practical choice for beginners who want to explore different types of photography without immediately buying additional lenses. Number 3. OBSBOT Tiny 2 4K IPTZ Webcam. Color: not officially specified. Weight: 143.3 g. Category: 4K PTZ webcam. If you want a webcam that does more than simply sit on top of your monitor, the OBSBOT Tiny 2 is worth a closer look. This is a 4K PTZ webcam designed to actively follow you while you move, making it especially interesting for streaming, online meetings, presentations, and content creation. One of its biggest advantages is the large 1/1.5-inch CMOS sensor, which is designed to capture more light and deliver better image quality in challenging lighting conditions. The camera also supports 4K video and up to 60 frames per second, giving you a sharper and smoother picture when your computer and setup support those settings. The AI tracking is where this webcam really stands out. It can follow your upper body, track your hands, focus on a specific zone, and offer close-up tracking modes. You can also control certain functions using voice commands or gestures, which can be genuinely useful when you're away from your desk. Autofocus is another strong point, and the camera can quickly lock onto a person or object. On the downside, the advanced features can make the webcam run warm during use, and you'll need a compatible computer with USB 3.0 for the best experience. Overall, the OBSBOT Tiny 2 is a feature-packed 4K webcam for anyone who wants intelligent tracking and flexible control instead of a basic fixed camera. Number 2. Acer KB272 27-inch FHD IPS monitor. Color: black. Weight: 4.99 kilograms. Category: FHD IPS computer monitor. If you want a large monitor that can handle both everyday work and casual gaming, the Acer KB272 offers a pretty straightforward combination of useful features. It comes with a 27-inch IPS display and a 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution. The IPS panel is designed to provide consistent image quality across a wide viewing angle, while the matte screen helps reduce distracting reflections in brighter environments. For smoother motion, the monitor supports refresh rates of up to 120 Hz. That can make scrolling, video playback, and compatible games feel noticeably more fluid than a standard 60 Hz display. Acer also includes adaptive sync support with FreeSync compatibility to help reduce screen tearing when paired with compatible hardware. The 99% sRGB color coverage is another nice touch for everyday content and general creative use. A 1 millisecond VRB response time is also advertised for fast-moving scenes, although the actual experience can depend on the specific settings and content being used. Connectivity includes HDMI and VGA, and the stand provides tilt adjustment. The monitor can also be mounted using a compatible wall mount setup. One limitation is the Full HD resolution on a 27-inch screen, which may not appear as sharp as a higher resolution monitor. Overall, the Acer KB272 looks like a solid practical option for users who want a big IPS screen, smooth 120 Hz performance, and a simple setup for work and casual gaming. Number 1. Scepter 24-inch curved gaming monitor. Color: metal black. Weight: 7 pounds. Category: curved FHD gaming monitor. Sometimes a gaming monitor doesn't need an ultra-high refresh rate to make your setup feel better. The Scepter C248W1920RN focuses on a compact curved design, full HD resolution, and useful features for everyday gaming and entertainment. This 24-inch monitor uses a 1800R curved VA display with a 1920 by 1080 resolution. The curve helps create a more immersive viewing experience, while the matte screen can help reduce reflections during everyday use. The 75 Hz refresh rate offers a smoother experience than a traditional 60 Hz monitor, and adaptive sync with FreeSync compatibility can help reduce screen tearing with compatible hardware. The 98% sRGB color coverage is also a nice feature for general content and gaming. Connectivity is fairly simple, with 2 HDMI ports, VGA, and PC audio input. The monitor also includes built-in speakers, which can be convenient for basic audio without adding external speakers. VESA wall mounting is supported as well. The main limitation is that the 75 Hz refresh rate is more suited to casual gaming than competitive gaming. The 24-inch Full HD resolution is also practical, but users looking for a larger or sharper display may want something more advanced. Overall, the Scepter C248W1920RN is a straightforward choice for someone who wants a compact curved monitor with smooth 75 Hz performance, built-in audio, and a simple setup for gaming and everyday use. So if I had to choose just one from these 5 monitors, the Acer KB272 would be my top overall pick.